Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Facebook account disabled. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to understand why accounts get disabled. Facebook may disable your account for reasons like violating community standards, using a fake name, suspicious activity, or logging in from unusual location, or repeated spams. So here's how you can do to fix it. Head back to your home screen, open up your browser, and just like that, inside here, you need to go ahead and simply search for facebook.com/help/contact us. Once you have done that, you will land in this kind of interface. Here on this page, fill out the appeal form. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your account, the email or phone number linked to your account, and then simply upload a clear photo ID like passport or driver license. After that, submit the form and wait. Facebook usually replies within few days, but sometimes it can take up to 30 days as well. Make sure to check your email inbox, including spam or junk folders. If your account was permanently disabled for serious violations, unfortunately it cannot be recovered. But if it was a mistake or security check, submitting the appeal should work. And that is how you can recover a disabled Facebook account. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.